Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to draw an awesome looking four-wheel drive. Step by step, grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the body. Start by drawing a horizontal rectangle. Add some cool diagonal lines and erase the extra lines until you create the vehicle's body. Step 2. Draw the wheels. Draw circles, stack them up, and make sure they snugly fit well under the wheel grooves. Step 3. Add the windows. Let's draw the windows by creating 3 irregular rectangles, as shown on the screen. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Add the roof rails. Draw small rectangles on top for the roof rails. Step 5. Add tiny details, mirrors, headlights, taillights, and more. Step 6. Adding background. Let's give our four-wheel drive a snazzy background. Add some trees, clouds, and a road to bring your vehicle to life. Step 7. Adding color. To take this to the next level, consider adding color with colored pencils, markers, or crayons. That's it! Our four-wheel drive is ready. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a four-wheel drive. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.